Hey guys, welcome back to T2's Barbecue YouTube channel. Today we're going to work on an appetizer. Somebody said something to me a couple of days ago about, hey, we see you doing this, that, and the other, desserts, whatever. How about something, a snack food? So, thanks to a buddy of mine at work, we've got an idea for a hopped up cheese dip. Today we're going to be doing Rotel cheese dip T2's way. We're going to throw in a little pork sausage and a little this and that. So give us just a couple of minutes to finish getting everything together, and we'll get right back with you guys and we'll put it together. Alright guys, let's put this stuff together. So I'm making a large batch so that we can share with the folks. I've got 2 blocks of Velveeta. You can use Nice and Cheesy from Kroger. It works fine. I've never tried the Great Value brand, but folks tell me that it works just as well. So then I'm going in with Fiesta nacho soup. Two cans of that. I'm just doubling this recipe, guys. And then cheddar cheese soup. That'll take care of that. And then just plain old Rotel. We put our own away. We put up our own. So use 2 cans of Rotel if you're doubling. And then let me slide all this out of the way. We've got sausage, Italian sausage. We just brown it up, crumble it. We want to I want to make sure that I've got it fine enough. So I'm gonna throw on a glove, and I'm just gonna kind of crumble it into the mixture so I can make sure it's nice and fine, and that'll help it spread through. Still got some fair sized chunks, but you don't want any really big chunks. You know, you got to keep in mind you're going to be eating this with a chip or a cracker. So we're just working our sausage in, and then since we've got it in a crock pot, that's one of the most awesome things about this recipe. This is something that you can put it together and walk away from it while it finishes on its own. Just stir it every once in a while when you pass by. That's it. So it's a good deal to do if you've got a lot going on like we do, because we're doing briskets today, we're doing turkey. We've been really busy through the holidays and still staying busy, thankfully. So we've got our sausage in, and from there all we've got to do is just, like I say, give it a little stir, kind of start letting things come together. And it's going to be really tough to stir it to start with, but it's no big deal. Get a little start going. Get everybody back down into the pool there. And from there, put the lid on it. And as I say, just pass by every once in a while, give it a stir. Everything will come together. And once everything's melted, blended, it's a really, really good cheese dip. So, you guys give it a whirl. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, share, click the little bell down there so that you get reminders when we post up a video. And until next time, you guys take care.